Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Globe Collaborative subscription for February. And then I'm also going to do a little decorating around my coffee station. I already kind of started it a little bit. I'm just going to add a couple more items. So I want to share that with you guys. So we're just going to jump into the unboxing. And I am going to share with you everything that I got. I really didn't get too much this time, guys, because I already have a lot of cleaning products. So this unboxing is not going to be that long. So I'm going to start with the items on top. I have some hand soap. And it is in the rainwater scent. And then I also got the hand lotion, and this is a new scent by Mrs. Meyers. And I want to try it out. Matter of fact, let me take this off. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take the tape off and I'm just gonna smell it real quick for you guys. It actually smells really, really good. It's kind of perfumey, and I hope it isn't too strong, because anything perfumey I really don't like. Well, I don't like a real strong scent. So this does have a strong scent, but I'm gonna try it out and see how it works, and I'm gonna let you guys know if I like it or not. And the only other item is the lemon verbena dish soap, which is one of my faves. And then I got some Burt's Bees tinted lip balm. I ordered this in my last subscription and I really like it, so I decided to try some other tints and flavors. This is Zenina. I think that's how you pronounce it. That's the name of that one. And then the next one is Red Dahlia. So I want to try these out. Like I said, I ordered some in my last subscription and I really did like them. And the very last item is this beautiful, let me take the plastic off. The very last item is this beautiful caddy here. It has an awesome design. I really like it. And you can use this to carry your cleaning products, or it can be a decorative item for your kitchen. So I might do a DIY. If I do, I will do a video for you guys, because I just thought of that. I think this would be really nice for a cute DIY. So guys, that's it for all the items that I got in this subscription. Now we're gonna jump into decorating my coffee station.